Good morning, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Susan, and today I want to show you the Airbnb that we've been staying in for a week now. It's been a home, and it would be a crime for me to go home without actually showing you this house. So after watching this video, if you like this house, you can totally book it the next time you come to Mombasa. This house is a 2-bedroom apartment located in Nyali, Mombasa along Beach Road. This place is a gated community, and I'll give you all those details when I am giving you the introduction. Yeah. So are you ready? So I'm currently in the master bedroom, and I think we should start with the sitting room. So let me take you to the sitting room so that we can start there and then come this way. So the lounge, the sitting room, the living room, whatever you would like to call it. You can chill here, watch movies, watch TV. Watch movies, watch TV, watch news, watch anything you want. Just rest, just hang out, just anything. It's cozy enough and it's huge. They say that the house hosts 4 people. I'm taking you to the dining area, which, guys, I think it's my favorite part of this house. So guys, the dining area has a bar area that is right next to the kitchen. So when somebody is cooking, you can keep them company. You can keep them company right here. And for some reason, this place is my favorite part of the house. You can also work from here if you want. You can have your drinks from here. Yeah, and then behind me, can you see? Behind me is another dining table. Which is the place we mostly use to have our meals. Guess what? There's another place that you can have your meals around here. I'm taking you there right now. So right here, you can have your meals from outside as you enjoy the breeze from outside. It's really cool. There's a really cool breeze that is coming in that just makes you feel nice. And then right here we have another mirror. We have a mirror and a sink where you can wash your hands after you eat. There's a fridge, huge enough. There's a microwave. There's an electric kettle. There's the cooker. We are making baked potatoes. The cooker, enough dishes for you to use when you come here. Sink, basically everything that you need in a kitchen. And then the kitchen has a balcony that goes to the laundry area. Looks like this. There's a washing machine. Enough storage here for you. Some hanging lines. Air conditioning. And that's the laundry area. There is a whole hallway that goes to the bedrooms, and on the hallway we have more storage. Let me just switch on the lights. So here there's a whole hallway that has some storage and some nice painting on the wall if you're an arts lover. Yeah. Which bedroom should we start with? So let's start with the smaller bedroom. So this is actually the bedroom I've been sleeping in. It looks like this. Air conditioning, enough space, a mirror. See? A mirror for you to use when you're dressing, doing your makeup. Look at yourself, admire yourself. Yeah, it looks like this. Really nice, really spacious, really cozy. The bed is also cozy. The bed is cozy as well. And right outside this bedroom we have the common bathroom. We have the common bathroom. This bathroom gives me a cave vibe. I don't know why. And the best part of this bathroom, the tiles. I don't know if they are metallic or it's just a tile, I don't know, but it's really pretty. There is a mirror. A place for your toothbrush and toothpaste, place for the hand wash, a place for a towel, a shower, hot shower option. Yes, that is the common bathroom and toilets. Yes, so this is the common bathroom and toilets. If you ask me, it's pretty clean. It has enough space. It has everything you would need in a bathroom. I really love it, really. So come with me to the master bedroom. So guys, this is the master bedroom. It is huge. It is huge, huge, huge. Let me switch on the lights because... So first of all, it has two windows. It has two windows, meaning you have enough light in this bedroom. So this mattress is a spring mattress, meaning that your comfort is guaranteed. So yeah, that's the master bedroom, and there's a mirror. There's a mirror for you to do your dressing, your makeup. The master bedroom is master and suite, so it has a bathroom and toilets. Looks like that. It also gives me the cave vibe. I don't know if it's the color of those tiles on the walls and the same tiles. Yeah, that is it. Alright guys, so I did not do a proper conclusion on this video, so thank you so much for watching to the end. If you like the house, you can book it if you're coming to Mombasa. I'll leave the link to this house in the description box so that you can book it when you're coming to Mombasa. So the host of this house is called James. He's been very helpful to us. So you can be assured that he will be helpful to you when you book his house. So also this house I don't know if I had said, this house is a 2-bedroom apartment. It's in Nyali, Mombasa, and it is in a very secure location. It has a parking. It has, so I say it's secure because it's a gated community and there are guards downstairs. So yeah, so security is guaranteed. Also, there is a huge parking lot on the ground floor. The ground floor is parking. So if you're coming to Mombasa with a car, you can be sure that your car will be safe and you will have somewhere to park it. So I'm leaving the link down below in the description box for you to book it. If there is any other questions, you can ask in the comment section and I will be glad to help you or to answer them. Thank you so much for watching to this point. And guys, so I have realized that most of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. Please, just you see that red button down there, yeah, subscribe so that you won't miss anything from me. Also, as a way to support me, because we are a small channel, but we are growing, and I will really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching my video. And I think until next time, see you. Bye.